The people of Masvingo province are rejecting the proposed bill number 3 for several reasons, including its perceived betrayal of the core values of the liberation struggle, which is one man, one vote. Masvingo province rejects bill number 3, say they want Chiwenga in 2028. Then was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. It's a dog eat dog in Masvingo. A ZANU-PF boss is threatened to expel anyone opposing the bill. Some ZANU-PF members have already been fired for refusing to support the 2030 term extension. By firing and suspending members who oppose the 2030 bill, this move exposes that the province is forcing the 2030 term extension on people, but they don't like it. On WhatsApp groups, people are praising Chiwenga for demanding a referendum, giving the public a chance to voice their opinion. Others say Chiwenga cares about citizens' well-being. Unlike politicians focused on power, only a few top officials support the 2030 term extension. The rest of the province is in denial. Rejecting the 2030 term extension doesn't mean someone is rebelling or against ZANU-PF or against His Excellency ED. It means people don't believe Zimbabwe's success. One Monica in 17 million people. Dismissing those opposing the bill and rejecting a referendum shows the bill benefits only a few individuals, not the people. People are being fired or removed from party groups for not supporting the bill, indicating widespread rejection of the proposed bill. Doma developments are good apangwa achata panapa na makobichi achapangwa na chita Iowa. People they are saying we want Chiwenga in 2028. Na comment section medu za fungu email tulipomsero pe chituko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.